Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Left 4 Dead 2 in VR. First, make sure you own Left 4 Dead 2 on PC and have a VR headset ready with Steam VR. Your computer should meet the game's recommended specifications, typically requiring at least 2 GB of RAM and a shader model 3.0 video card. Next, you'll need to download the specific VR mod for the game. Once you have the mod file, find your Left 4 Dead 2 installation folder, usually within your Steam app's common directory. Extract all the mod files directly into this game folder. After extraction, open Steam, right-click Left 4 Dead 2, go to Properties, and add the necessary launch options. These include Insecure Window Novid to ensure the mod runs correctly and prevents connection to VAC-secured servers. With the mod installed, launch Steam VR first, then start Left 4 Dead 2 from your Steam library on your desktop. Do not launch it directly from your headset. Once the game loads into a campaign, put on your headset and press the button on your right controller, or F6 on your keyboard, to activate VR mode. You might need to adjust video settings like anti-aliasing to 8x MSAA for better clarity. In VR, your left stick controls movement, and the right stick handles camera rotation. Clicking the left stick will instantly recenter your view, which is very helpful. The right trigger fires your weapon, while the left trigger performs a bash. Reloading is done with the left grip button. Remember to play on local servers, especially when playing with friends, to ensure a smooth and secure experience without issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.